Hello and welcome back to the 7 Essential Herbs. Parsley, any variety of parsley. What's special about parsley? It has a flavone in here that's called epigenin, and it strongly brings down the progression of cancer tumors. So if you have a cancer tumor, it'll help slow down the growth. So parsley is in your future if you have a cancer tumor or just want to be protective against it. Like cilantro, it has the same items that help with your eye health, so this is going to be really strong with that. It's really strong in minerals, and if you want to stop, protect, or reduce your osteoporosis, it's not dairy. It's green stuff, dark green leafy stuff like this. Very high in minerals in the leaves. The stems, again, that's where the phytochemicals are to boost your immune system. Leaves for osteoporosis. It's also a really strong kidney cleanse. Parsley is really good for helping your body with the production of collagen. Collagen is stuff in your body that helps keep things tight, like your skin, so you have less wrinkles. Also your tendons and ligaments. If you tend to have a lot of loose tendons and ligaments, then parsley is going to be your friend. Blood sugar, but it can interfere with diabetes medication. So if you're pre-diabetic and not on medication, this is going to help along with other items like cinnamon. But don't eat a lot of this if you're on diabetic medication. It's going to interfere with it. It also helps with hormone balance for women, and there's about 20 other things that it does on the lower scale, but its knock it out of the park thing is the cancer progression and the minerals and that help with our eyes as well as osteoporosis. Let's see, if you are pregnant, you don't want to eat too much of this. A little sprinkle on your meals, okay, but not a lot. About a half a teaspoon a day is the minimum dose. There's no evidence, so it's hard for me to know. Don't take it if you're taking aspirin or blood thinners, because this is not going to go well with that, and those are contraindications. All right, see you in the next video.